Welcome to our third class on map location, Contemporary Topics 2017. Now the first location is Shahpur Khandi Dam project located in Gurdaspur in Punjab. Now this project came under was in news because of the Indus Water Treaty Agreement, and it helped India to get waters for the irrigation purpose in the areas of Punjab and Kashmir. The next location is Bhadla. Bhadla, you had a solar power plant that has been established by NTPC. The power plant is of 45 megawatt capacity. NTPC has again established another plant, which is the Rajmool plant in Gujarat, and this plant is mainly for the wind energy production. So these two are the new plants that have been established. Next is Kovada. Kovada lies in Srikakulam district in Andhra Pradesh. You have three new canyons that have been formed in this region. So three new canyons, and these were formed by the 32 high density beams that were used to discover, and the river on which they were formed was river Kandivatsa. So you had the three new canyons that have been discovered of recent. The next is in the Indian Ocean, you have the Watson Basin that has been discovered, and that is the location boundary for the new fracture that has been found in the Indian Ocean. Again, because of the same, you had the 90 East Ridge that was in news, and 90 East Ridge is the 90th meridian separating the West and the East Indian Ocean. The next location here is Manakulam forest area. This Manakulam forest area was again in news. This lies in Kerala, and you have two critically endangered species of balsam that were discovered in this forest area, and this forest area lies in the Arikuvalam area in Kerala. The next is Patancheru. Patancheru is one of the centers of International Council for Research for the Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropical Areas. So you have the Patancheru that lies in India in the Telangana region, and the remaining locations worldwide are mentioned here. The next is Dolikalu railway station. Now this railway station, you had recent Mesoist attack that was seen, and it lies in the Rayagada region in Odisha. The next location is the Chenani Nashari tunnel. So this lies on the Jammu Srinagar highway. This is the longest road tunnel that has been inaugurated in India in the state of Jammu Kashmir. So this is the detail on the tunnel map. So you have the following major locations through which it goes. The next location here is the Kovalam. Kovalam, you had the world's first underwater CEO conference that was held, and it was mainly focused on global warming and greenhouse effects. The region was the Groves Beach in Kovalam. The next location is Chitrakoot. Now Chitrakoot was in news mainly because you had 1.6 billion years old fossil that was found in Chitrakoot, and this fossil is considered to be the oldest fossil under the plant species that could be found till date. So you had Chitrakoot. The next is Atari. Atari, you had the longest and the tallest and the heaviest national flag that was posted on the India-Pakistan border, at the region of India-Pakistan border. The height was around 110 meters, and you had 24 meters wide, and the weight for this flag was 55 tons. The next location is Kochi. Kochi was again in news because the new polymer notes for rupees 10. So rupees 10 notes, which are polymer based, have been started in Kochi. Now this polymer based note is much more durable since it's synthetically made. There is less chances of wear and tear. Among the other cities which were considered for this trial was Mysore, Jaipur, Shimla and Bhubaneswar. The next location is Dahej. Dahej, you have the Opal petrochemical complex that was established in Gujarat. So again, this was in news, and this is considered to be one of the largest petrochemical complex in India. The next is Tirunelveli. Tirunelveli, you have the first town to attain a kind of 100% segregation of waste at source from the household. So it was kind of pure demarcation of biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste from the houses itself. So all the houses are working for the same. So you have Tirunelveli, which was in news in Tamil Nadu. The next location is Puri. Puri, you have Sudarshan Patnaik, who set the Guinness Book of World Record for creating the largest sand castle, and this sand castle was nearly 48 feet and 8 inch tall. The next is Barmer. Barmer in Rajasthan was known to provide a kind of subsistence to each household for the using of lavatories and a kind of creating a open defecation free environment in the region. So it was again a ODF initiative. The next was Tirupati. Tirupati was in news because the Indian Science Congress of recent was held in Tirupati. The next location is Patna. Patna, you had the Prakash Utsav that was held, and this was the 350th birth anniversary of Guru Gobind Singh, who was the 10th Guru of Sikhs. The next is Tembali. Tembali in Maharashtra lies in Nandupadur district in Maharashtra, and this is considered to be the first Aadhaar village that has been established in India. So this is the kind of first Aadhaar village, 100% Aadhaar coverage. So with this we cover the 20 current locations for the month of April 2017. We will be covering next few locations every month, around one lecture. So we will have a compilation of nearly 120 contemporary locations till your mains examinations. Have a good day ahead.